na kitoko kaga umulinga ndio tikatokuwa na umulinga moye no mole ntage kwa kambi ya mwana umweshimiwa yoyo mweshimiwa paradisi mumwanjete ndio muntomia manyasa waheshimiwa wandi bonsi bidero ngoroki na kiali the percentage ya kila sub-location ngakiawa registered voters ororo. Omanye kwa every sub-location kulingana na percentage. Mheshimiwa, congratulations. This is a good example. This is very good. I want to thank you. Again, I want to really praise you for the good work. And he has just commented here, Montariko Ubasa reform, amis, akwebu anyonde. Now, when you talk about your akwebu the next time. Congratulations. Abantu babintu babo kitendere ntegetemba kirembyamo. Enachicha ndolenga ki ebasa reforms chikoye. Ena ulebas machoge ngogenda Senga Bosoti, ngende Kenya, ngende Bokimonge, Nichibomba, Nkolere, Boys, Burabu. Ibo ende na Nkomyo. Gamba boy, Koserankuru, Kuyakubu, we basari. Okunampo, ekwenye njo, na ende, na kutobo sumeka horonge. Tadio, ngende ntoba serenia, miambiri. Kwenye yule mwambia, lakini yeko gereo mwana kule asombe tano iko abantu babiri ese ngakie obasera ento kore ekroyeji kula lakini small munganje nse kibasa nzere para nzere nyagitari tano nzere amache na ECD classrooms na mono ogembo ya itoga nere nyakitari ya kabiri baada ya KTRH lakini ugende ngani ndio nyakitari leo tiyo chibesa nyakitari ya marani njaro setu ngepindike gere ya nduru ekarosiwa na nchi na alisendele class matolosi ya ogembo nyamache omwakone Mwita bande bakoga o rusikibesa oire sobo machoge mubasi tarina ile mubasi injino mugabana which ward 45 chi constituency kianda na lazima nkole gasi ya kilomon abo mugetutu munyayibali mubasi mumachoge munjari umugirango abana abantu bane lazima bakole gasi tete kwa tell what happened yesterday. It was a very bad show. Yes. I want just to point out, you can imagine we are sitting this way, Kingo Kwana, Nango Kwana Iga, Omontaso Kikuruga Iga, and the Wakamasas. Just shooting a Wakamasas with Kingo. No moving a Kinki Wakrisas. Tabuati, nenda mwamu, emoko, libero, omomoli tabuati, abantu wakaumia. Na vora nyole, ana wate, vora nyole, ulinaba, ulinaba, ulibara afadhali yani. Paraboe, babwate mission yeye, oyere, yani mission, tatageti bana basome, tatageti bagenderero, Mugirango, ngusi ninjo mugabano kakini nyange okora magendero atebaki ya no montoyo abantu bamugirango n'abantaba lakini kinga kinjiro turaike tutara transmission muntu gukora kuranya use no ane ngombe kunywa maji ke kuanga na moto nga yaya libage go wait amen manyao muntu wake tulisas liyo motoga ali ngimaya yani iko
anybody from the national government who wants my blood is for what? What are you going to use it for? Even if I die, I'll die once like a man. And I'm only serving, I'm holding brief for these people. Don't. If you have a problem with me, tell me. You have tried to send JSU. You have tried, threaten me. The only thing I know, I'll serve my people to the last of my breath. And I'll do justice to every person. The shooting of yesterday, it was uncalled for. Nobody. We are not in Somalia where Al-Shabaab walks into a meeting and starts shooting. Let us be peaceful. We want to see what the police apparatus will set in to unearth the act of S.Mugirango. This is not the first time. They were nearly killed 3 doctors. Dr. Mtonga, Dr. Mantiko, and the senior nurse, simply to remove an aesthetic machine, which I had in 3. Then, the other event is when we were attending a funeral, where they came in throwing arrows, tear gas, again bullets. Yesterday, it was an attempt either to assassinate, and the police officers having AK-47, not 1, 7 of them, to come and shoot. 7 AK-47. One of the police officers is a police officer known very well, who was holding the AK-47. For what? Killing innocent people who have come to pick bursary forms. If you have heard anything, why can't you use the normal law to either arrest Arati or do anything else? Please, I want to plead my people. Tafadhali, mkuu wa pole, wacha tuone vile serikali itashughulikia swala hili. I think patience has run out. I've acted like a governor. Even when you want to kill a cat, sometimes when you have cornered it, it has to retaliate. I think we are at that stage. I don't want to go that direction. Hao watu ndio walipigia kura, sio mimi ndio walipiga kura. Nitaomba mkae wa pole. Imagine walipeana mpaka show causes letters kwa chiefs. Dhambi chiefs walifanya ni kuja kwangu tuongee mambo ya basari hii, tuongee mambo ya net mosquito net distribution. Eti wamekuja wao sasa ni maadui, wamepewa show cause letters. How dare we are? What kind of a country are we in? What do we want to show? Tafadhali, wale ambao mnatumia huyo muungwana, wachana hao wananchi. Kama mnataka kutoa kwa kiti, kuja kwa hao wananchi ndio wataweza nitoa. Hiyo tu. Kusema sisi mradi usio ni moja kama yeye. Lakini forces chinde njiyalo kolekasi. Abantu bamwe tuzaje batebi. Injetindi koligere maiga. Ngokorera abantu baitegazi mna mwanto mete. I want to give pole to so many people who were injured yesterday. Some of them I'm told they are in houses because they don't have even money to go to hospital. Abantu wetu wamugirango pole of the incident yesterday. It was unfortunate. It was uncalled for. I don't expect this one to come out. We're only giving bursaries. If you have a problem with Simba, face him elsewhere. Don't bring it to the innocent. Kuna kina mama hapa wako wajawazito, kuna walemavu, kuna wazee. No, let us have little respect for these people who voted for us. Abantu baminto nkobasaba egenteke mu yoka munganje. Onye tajama sabayino abantu abange babonsabira. Kandi senge bangwire. Kakiyokobeke sara yawo. ninyole asama sawa ese yimbo wana mutuwa yerembe obuyibwa ngo kolekana ngeke county yebwa renge igoro chibesa na ocha ngo soka kuruga jana wakole bikori binga ebese yimani wakata koleti atayo nektari nyaktari ogebo etayo ekwete aba nabako nyora bana gali marababe yabo karibu 25 kire marabo abantu babintu ngo basaba nje muno mugama no ngalinka ngo basaba mutunyura sama sama mutunyura sama sama and I want to promise
Mwanja boys Maya gaba denga ngoi ngabora sama sabaino ndiamono nyasaye abe nainwe omonna baseseni
tikwandira abantu nango bakwandira iga aliete gali kigalinye kikomyokani akego banze kwa kama sasa bakama sasa abantu bakamuneka amasasi risasi ndiri yanyoto umuntu olenge mayiga yane tingumanya ninki mwalengo mwaroche manya n'abantu naye ngukwanira. One of the police officers who shoot at us came from Langata, who had the AK-47, Langata police station. Manya kuru Langata mpaka Mugirango maji. The other one called Kevin is one of the officers from Nyanjo police station. They had 7 AK-47. And those guns, they cannot be used by any other, the bodyguards, they cannot carry those guns. It's only the president who is taken care of by the Reke squad and the deputy. But even when they are carrying on, when they are carrying chiba unduki they have come, the poor, they have come for bursary. Then some people emerge, even my brothers, police officers, who could be misused. How can it be that you travel all the way from Nairobi only to come shoot at the very poor, people who are receiving only 3,000? The only thing they have done is Simba addressing them. Abantu amintu mitegete masala monsa veranye wanya tali amasabo kangatinjo inje mwanga akirite kroso wanje kwene mwange kwanga kanga tindi gento keke tindi mugaba lakini ba wanja makolere gasigari. What is this that I've done? They have looked for me. They wanted to combine the MCS for impeachment. They found it is not possible. Oh, poison Simba. We can even poison him. God is there. They are unable to poison me. Now, the only thing, shoot randomly. Na votuko impeach Simba. Anyate kunyali kana mpaka bago isaransa. Bao kwana yonga na bako betu no ine sumu. Akitoko ntikana njiga nkine ngo ikere no ine myaka 60. Montige ndona na bana babake. Should I die and go to kukwesenge njongo kolera abantu bane gusiye gasi? Bantu abitunku basaba. Mungu nyura sama sabo. Ese yero okumulika. Obo ibinanyo altobuleke ras mambo muleke. Iko. Usemo mugane tingobo. Ya. Otole maga. Ono ngobo tokonyana na baitire chinkoro. Tidikobwa. Nkuba kolera ndegas. Ese igiye dali amo murolia ekora kana umuntu na role mayiga yae okora ibintu byonse. Because abanyagitari doctors were beaten up. They were about to be lynched. Save the police arrested those people. Another incident, toko genda matanga na yandi chinsara chikarutocha chinza amatanga hivi. Ama sasi agao. Bintu biri bono gaki onye na atemire n'abantu babugirango n'abantu abaya
lakini abantu bande batagiti bakolera gas nye bagonse rikoro dingo jankore no ense gramoso muwanja boy bono
bona eren kayango chako tacha saba
abantu bamintu ndaite basabe tusabirane na serikali okos Mugirango e constituency ya Mugirango neye moyabo yagusi chi constituency kyanda asendo mugaba na abantu ba Mugirango kubakolera ndegazi banje bantu bali banje na batanja ngokolera n'abantu baitu ba Mugirango ndegazi period nogo sero kugwe pasa
iko
osera bukolero kongurwe mia kwagenda kwagura gusine sukali kweba amasoma aya awokonyegesa kuweta yoke myaka yose kusina bere ogosera ndasere nuko agacha ECD classrooms ogosera ndasere okuyesi mono noku make sure amalyo na aralia yakitali ayali nkugura 35 million every quarter lakini aende amanya koibwa banza konti clinic iskoga Yasa nomya ono mwako kabera tindiko mobi tindiko miembe kokorande gazi na mwantebeti na lichiko liko lya Kenya ligane tinkole gazi tuwana na bantu bamete iko munganjere because ngo myokande go chimagenje ngende
onye abantu bakonyore basari mbali bagete kuraga abo kimonge onye wage tumagenje gendoro onye kasi yabo gose muri ngoko ngo muri kuroro gose bumba gose magina gendoro le cyarango tole basari goko make a mistake obuji form ibe na chigo so ai system ibe chonse chiko rejected iko bugoni ya mutoba mansa mgaki ndio wanaenda naki wao kumiga onye wakere tanga Morris na chibo doki chichina na AK47 na urade Kevin kurugara gusuru omukutana ngwa bese bandenge ntengo baje basa Mugiranga anya kendele nako soka ngaga bawa kama sasi abantu bakaumia omuntu olenge maiga yane age kinisa syogoto gaki ngori ngaki nkieke abantu bamenye tinko yele maiga lakini ngo abuli mayamba limukumbangere bachire wadenga ho babeka ba MCamo balete motion yuko nyindi chwandu sio bese anyoli makunya banyoli aba MC 10 na ibukire kuba banyoli ngate kunyarekana bayisaranse yisaranso kia abantu babige sunte batanga na Yesu na mukuri mumubeke bono onye iya asinyile na masasi moja gutwa mugo ya hakina nje nkana ni miaka na 50 yo tabe munsa benya sama sabaini ama sabongo abole munsa berani ama liyogo na golire kinyagitali Jones for 45 ama liyogo yokurwali abantu kinyagitali ama liyogo ainaro tayo abakoimukia bacha babugulia baenda koni kinyagitali kikiriniki aiga magena echinde osongo ama liyoga bwende kutoka nyagitali ngotumia milioni 35 baada ya timu tatu kugura mayo ogende Kenya ire dispensary inside gawe koteki kwetu nero teyo abantu baminto tinkoligere maiga usibara mutagete mtamese ngi wako ngakera amapite muwanja mamuleke ngoba mulikande ase chingu cho monene tokolega ase tokonya abantu baito eyento mwangefe ekura mwangakete Teriasi ekura mwana kebuma ndinga Simba
Tukwana ningo iga new up happy new year Mia mono itangani mheshimiwa Beatrice, congratulations narona ekoenga among the best Bomachoge sokuru ebasa igen tugia kabere abantu baminto etali koro ku Beatrice akoro ku Beatrice ekina kege sogekia koro era mwamurangalinga Beatrice usiga iganchia koleta matemu ya akira abana wetu chinkobi. It was good. They did very well. Our children and our schools in Gusiland. For all other days, they did very well. Again, to Kiagatatu, Ntaitentebe, Nima Itena promised Abasae, Vestagiga. Lakini, space, Nero, Evolete mpaka bon. Aralia. Aigali okindo gazi yani. Baka matos. Mawati aling. Oyo nao na Chairman. Space Nero to
Space Nero ngabuma
Chichina letrese basari yale ngororo Manyanga ekiyuka na kinkomoliwo abantu ba supply te ba inkolete mbeo bosa na bakan eseginere bagutumye mu mroyo abantu bakaumia Manyanga abasikari bande barwete Nairobi Langata police station abande nyanjwa ekirba getama sasa bakakura bakairana ebali kiranete mutandanga kazi ilikuwa safi Kisii safi kuita abantu babantu and the only target was S.E Arati. What have I done to anybody? I've not stolen anything. I want to say this one in Swahili and in English. The police officers who were used yesterday, one of them called Morris, comes from Langata police station. He had a AK-47. Kevin Langat, he had an AK-47 from Nyanchwa. There were 7 AK-47 in the shooting in S.Mugirango. And the only target is S.E Arati. What have I done to this government? Yani, what is it that I cannot be told? Why should you use Osoro as a conduit just to kill me? Why can't you leave also me to get to, even if it's 50 years? Because if you are thirsty of blood, why should you want to kill me? This is not the first incident, and the authority is quiet. There are some senior police officers in Kisii who are collaborating to finish the agenda of homicide. I want to ask my good people, please remember me in prayers. 3, 4, 4. Omotienyu mnochi koera tumaye kwa abana ba form 1 na Polytechnic vocational training centers abana bako gendororo ngosaba especially secondary abana bali abatakapino enaye ko manyite moletere omweshimiwa Beatrice andentere tokonya abana basome boli mumbo iyo oboli mumbo atigere nara libole na se obongo mo wanje boyo kwanza malimaito gaiga manyanyo montoyo mo sengenje obongo bwa IT ka cross billion boli mumbo lege bora rose billion iko obongo bwa atigere bweka
gose obole mwesi watigere no sobongo tokonya abana baitu babe ka bakonye gusiye egento kende abantu bamintu mwaroche segia sogete Mugirango igoro mwaroche gakia abantu baumye toro na tubwato mukutano igo abantu barugali negali baike banzi wakamasasi bakamasasi abantu bakaumia mpaka umuntu ulingi magayane nero age tulisasi yogotoga na kumetinga ki ninki na korire eserikali enkobolia ninki nekebenje kobe gavana Mtua chiete na abantu bonsi yepi tukabole nkababwa gaki inki bakomboli manyanga tigamba tebi babekira hamo bachire koliba lyaba MCA bandusio biswa mbinchi banore babwata ba MCA komna banaboka baisara ansire batebire ngonyo impeachment yasinyire tikano ene sumu muligeri mumubekere mwenye n'abantu bakora boyo no muntu bwate myaka 68 ngo mulinga gaki to wanja nenje gaki ninkaba ne myaka 50
Terangata police station Okoro Morris. That officer comes from Rangata police station who was shooting at South Mugirango. Morris ekera ko ite wakama sasi ari gete asumtanda we have done a very clean work in South Mugirango. Clean work keromo ngina oche tukoyere mwana oye a form. Omongino wale marit abangina bali ngimurit. Krama sasi agetu wakatamo chime taroini. Enele clean work ukina kolere serikali. Osoro tario kora bintu bribiek. Bintu briumuntu naro maina. Ta gonjo kana nechigari nechaba sky ondenga alebusa. Abantu baminto. Omurundo mukuletie ebunduki onyemuroche oliyo obegete satenda wate AK47 akuru Kevin Langat mwale gaiga nani. Babu ate AK47 isano ibere. Ngoboli inki na kolere serikali ekebegioka na kolere ekebegioka no wote nyo bibu aringe busongoga chile sabai ko bana cheji tu aletre to na ne basari enya gitari ya level 5 ya ingo sangere milioni 47 metenye tatu bono iga ingo sangere milioni 190 na aliwa ko ira milioni 150 ekena kike bana akolire ngai ke bana akolire ngana aletre chibesa na ko waga chade nyakitali nyoge ogembo nere nyakitali yakabe baada ya H.E Arati aigamara wabango na chitugo tukongo nyora bangina emeronge bino batano bako nyora bana nyakitali merega tiyo South Mugirango le constituency yemwe yabayane abantu ba South Mugirango n'abantu bana bangakirete chikura tinko bali na gas tinko bali na kokora magendero esenjo montoyo ndaitemba sana ento gyoka muranko nyabantu bana namasabuka masasi atumeke asaba abantu bako ukibasa ali bantu batenenko abantu abataka baje tukuji form cy'abantu abantu baje tukuji wisa tuchoka driver dakika moja tunamaliza ata